Today I am reviewing the Thermaltake LCGS View gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming desktop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming desktop that delivers power, style, and cutting-edge features, the Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T 270 is definitely worth your attention. This PC is packed with premium components that promise to elevate your gaming and everyday computing experience to a whole new level. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, an absolute beast built for serious gamers and creators. With a blazing base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and AMD's revolutionary 3D V-cache technology, this CPU offers outstanding single-thread and multi-thread performance. Whether you're playing demanding AAA games, streaming your gameplay, or tackling video editing and 3D rendering, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D has the power and efficiency to keep up with your most intense workloads. Complementing the processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T graphics card, a next-gen GPU designed for stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. This card supports ray tracing and DLSS, enabling you to enjoy ultra-realistic lighting and improved frame rates in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, and Elden Ring. Expect crisp, immersive 1440p gaming at high or ultra settings, with the potential for solid 4K performance on many games. Memory-wise, the Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T 270 doesn't disappoint. It comes loaded with a whopping 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,400 metric tons per second. This high-speed RAM with RGB lighting not only offers blazing fast multitasking capabilities, but also adds a striking aesthetic to your setup. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or running memory-intensive applications, you'll benefit from smooth, lag-free performance. Storage is another strong point here. A massive 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD provides lightning-fast read and write speeds, drastically reducing load times and giving you ample room for your games, applications, and media files. No more waiting around for your system or games to load. This SSD keeps everything running seamlessly. One of the standout features of this desktop is the closed-loop liquid cooling system with a 360mm radiator. This advanced cooling solution ensures your CPU stays cool even during marathon gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Efficient cooling means your system maintains peak performance without throttling due to heat, while also operating quietly. Connectivity is versatile with multiple USB ports, including USB Type-C and USB 3.0, alongside audio jack for headphones and microphones. The integrated Wi-Fi keeps you connected with strong and reliable wireless internet, perfect for online gaming or streaming. The design itself is sleek and modern, with customizable RGB lighting that gives your gaming rig an aggressive and futuristic look. The case includes thoughtful airflow design with a PSU power cover and filtered ventilated vertical side-mount radiator to keep the interior dust-free and cool. Running on Windows 11 Home, this desktop offers a modern and user-friendly interface with full compatibility for the latest games and software. So, who should consider the Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T 270? If you're a gamer looking for a powerful rig capable of handling the latest AAA titles at high settings with excellent frame rates, this desktop is a fantastic choice. Creators and streamers will appreciate the balance of CPU and GPU power, fast storage, and ample RAM. Plus, the liquid cooling and premium build quality make it a reliable, long-term investment. In conclusion, the Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T 270 gaming desktop delivers top-tier performance, futuristic aesthetics, and premium cooling technology. Whether you're grinding competitive games, exploring vast open worlds, or working on content creation, this PC is designed to handle it all smoothly and efficiently. If you want a gaming desktop that stands out both in looks and performance, this Thermaltake model should be at the top of your list.